We made it to our last port. This is Cabo San Lucas. And we have to take a tender. We didn't really have any plans. We avoided all of the excursions. But I think we're going to go try and find a boat to take us out into the bay, because on the tender coming in, there were a ton of whales. And I'm sure it's going to be windy out there, so bring on the montage.
Welcome to our cabin. We have a balcony, stateroom, standard balcony, I think code BB. This is what it looks like. Front door to the hallway. This is the bathroom. Hanging closet with this side is all shelves, and there is a safe in here, and then there's nightstands on each side of the bed and reading lights. We have a couch that pulls out into a bed, and a desk with a little stool, a TV, two smaller cabinets here and here, and then a small Dometic fridge, and then our balcony. Hi.
Hi.
Well, there you go. That's been our room. Tomorrow we're at sea, and then we're back in LA.